The StudSensor E50 quickly and easily locates the edges of wood and metal studs and joists behind walls, floors, and ceilings. Its easy-to-read display screen indicates stud edges, and the patented SpotLite pointing system shines an arrow on the wall to identify the target. The StudSensor E50 features 2 stud scanning modes, for regular walls with 1 layer of drywall and for thicker walls with 2 layers. WireWarning detection indicates the presence of live AC voltage. The new patent-pending pinch grip and contoured shape provide an easy, secure hold in either hand and at any angle. Here's how to use it. Switch the tool to StudScan mode. Place your StudSensor E50 against the wall. Push and hold the power button. Wait a moment for the tool to calibrate before you begin scanning. The TrueCal icon confirms calibration. Slide it along the wall until the display, spotlight, and audio tone indicate that you've reached one edge of the stud. Mark the edge. Continue sliding the tool across the stud. Scan in the other direction. Mark the second edge. The center of the stud is in between the 2 marks. In StudScan mode, if you happen to start scanning over a stud and move away, the unit's display will blink to indicate a calibration error. Simply move the tool a few inches to either side and turn it on again. Slide the tool to find studs. If you have problems finding any studs, or if you know you're scanning through material thicker than 3/4 of an inch, switch the tool to DeepScan mode. The word DeepScan confirms the tool is in DeepScan mode. Slide the tool to find studs. Please note that you should always start scanning in regular mode first, as DeepScan mode could produce inaccurate results on standard walls. The WireWarning indicator icon alerts you to the presence of a potentially live AC wire in the vicinity of your scan. Extra caution should always be taken in the presence of electricity.